reflections in the diocesan seminary, in the Passionist seminary as well from time to time, and its identification with the people. I remember one Leko was dying of cancer and very poor, and there was no chairs to sit on. I sat on the floor with this man holding his hand, but we were able to, in the end, find a nebulizer for him so that he could breathe. He could not breathe. So it's really being with the people whom I love and serving. My life is one of service. I do not take anything. I receive nothing in monetary form for what I do. I have a banking pension.
So how
But-
many years have you been with the Filipino people?
I started coming out 2007, but I was an Anglican priest, Church of England Protestant at the time. And in that community, you're allowed to work in civilian life, as in the Catholic Church, you cannot. And I did 28 years in international banking.
What is your current citizenship or
UK. You have UK. I studied also in Germany. I speak German fluently. And they speak Ilonggo around me, but I can say in Tagalog, ako ay nagagalak na makita ko kayang lahat. So I have words of Tagalog, but I am at 82. It's more difficult to learn a language.
Thank you, Father. Can we hear from Mr. Ko Fang Su?
Senado, magandang hapon kayo lahat. Ako si Sugo Fang, citizen Taiwan from Dumating ako sa Philippines 1993, 22 years old, 1954, almost 32 years dito na ako. Dito ako sa trabaho sa construction. Talo kami magkapatid. And pati yung anak ko, dumating dito 10 years old, na yun 30 mahigit na. Mahal namin dito sa trabaho. Saka nakikita namin dito mga Pilipino, maganda yung pakisama, mabait, masisipag, marunong matyaga. Yan yung natutuwa kami. Kaya gusto namin sana maging Pilipino, gusto namin habang buhay na dito na hanap buhay. Kasi sa sobra bait sa Pilipino and sobra tulong sa amin sa mga government, bigay namin sa trabaho.
Negosyo na kayo?
Opo. Meron kami negosyo sa Supit sa construction.
Construction po.
Opo.
Magkasama kayong tatlo magkapatid.
Opo.
So, pag tinanong kita saan kayo nakabase sa Subic?
Supit. Una sa 1993 to 2004 sa 11 years nasa Manila naka-construction. Simula 2005 hanggang ngayon puro sa base sa Supit. SBMA.
Okay. Sige, ma'am. Mamaya na tayo kung ano yung mga contribution natin sa lipunan natin. Sige, can we hear from Father Job Calarakal Omen?
Opo.
Yes, Father.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chair and all the Honorable Senators and Congressman Pite. Good afternoon po, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Father Job. Medyo mahabang apelyido ko, pasensya na po kayo. 42 years na po ako dito sa Pilipinas. I celebrated my 22nd birthday here in the country. First 6 years, nag-aral ako sa theology sa Tagaytay, Divine Word Seminary. Pagkatapos ordinan kong pari, 1988 sa Isabela, sa North. So I was assigned in the Diocese of Ilagan. Dahil ang mga eskwelahan ng mga parokya namin sa Ilagan po, sa Diocese of Ilagan. Doon po ako sa 18 years, iba-iba mga parokya bilang parish priest. Meron din kami eskwelahan, Lasalet Missionaries. Then, 2006, lipat nila ako sa seminary po namin sa Cubao. So I was there for 16 years as rector. Then 2022, lipat nila ako sa parokya namin ngayon sa Santo Nido Congreso Parish, Bagumbong, North Caloocan. Doon pa ko makilala si Congressman Malapitan, talagang sa true to his name, madaling malapitan. Mabait na tao. Talagang since matagal na po ako dito sa Pilipinas, hindi po. Madali, madali na makahanap. Kung hindi ganun pala ako dito ngayon sa harapan ninyo. So masarap dito sa Pilipinas. So 42 years, it speaks of my love for the country, Philippines, and the Filipinos. Maraming salamat
What's
po.
na nationality po?
India.
Indian.
Opo.
Apa. Salamat, Father.
Po.
Okay, so can we hear from Mr. Won Suk Hyo? Is it Hyo? Hyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hyo, yes.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Thank you very much for your time. Senator Sherwin, thank you much for the deep introduction, and I'm very humble for that. Appreciate it a lot. Your Honor, I'm a Korean national. I've been here since 1993, which equates to about 35 years, 32 years in the Philippines. I have graduated grade school and high school here. Then I have moved on to the US to study, came back to help our family business. Our family business that my father built is in the shipping industry. We send seafarers to all over the world, mostly to Korean and Korean and Japanese principals. The country has given me so much, aside from a family, the culture, the comfort. Most importantly, has given me a wonderful education about life and about people, and I feel like it's an opportunity for me to be able to give back to the country that's given me so much. Hence, I'm applying for the Filipino citizenship. Thank you, Your Honor.
Marunong mag-Tagalog o mag-Filipino?
Kunti lang.
Marunong. Kasi konti lang, grade school ka pa eh. Dito eh. Anyari?
But sadly, I went to ISM where it's mostly, it's mostly spoken in English.
Well, anyway, Comsec, sabi mo walang mga kaso to mga to, di ba? So believe ako kasi si Mr. Hyo is in manpower. Oh, tagal to be in the manpower business and then to have no case. You must be a very conscientious agent or employer.
Yes, yes, Your Honor, we are.
That's
You live in Valenzuela as well?
No, Your Honor, I live in Makati.
the chair acknowledges the presence of Senator Bato de la Rosa. You want to make a statement, sir? Nasa citizenship na tayo mga.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Wonsuk. Okay. Can we hear from Mr. Bulls Shemishu Ashurian?
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. Ako si Bolas Ashurian. Almost 10 years ako dito sa Pinas. Nag-base kami sa Joan Romblon.
Romblon.
At saka may bahay din dito sa Cainta Rizal. Naganak ako sa Abu Dhabi, UAE. Iranian national. Kahit isang beses hindi nagpunta kami sa Iran kasi walang pamilya doon. Yung tatay ko at nanay ko naglipat sa Amerika at saka namatay sila doon. Kaya pala may family business doon kami. At saka nag-base ako dito kasi yung asawa ko at saka anak ko dito po. At saka meron kami maliit ng negosyo sa John, small restaurant. At saka mahal ko ang Pilipinas kasi dito ang bahay ko talaga at saka yung pamilya ko dito. At saka yung kultura dito is maganda, simple lang. Yung Filipino very are welcome and
Pamilya mo nandito. So ano ang asawa mo ay
asawa ko at saka anak ko po dito doon.
Filipina.
Opo.
Pala, Filipina. Yung anak Pilipino.
Opo.
Oh, automatic Filipino yun.
Opo.
Oh.
May
Welcome.
Joan Romblon.
Welcome, ma'am. Welcome. Pero ilang years ka na sa Pilipinas?
Malapit na mag-10 taon.
Oh, may clip pa lang, ha?
Opo.
10 years.
Opo.
Okay, very relatively, relatively short. Okay, so can we hear it from Ko Shi Chu, Ko Shi Su, the brother of Ko Fang Su. Tama, magkapatid po kayo?
Opo, opo.
Aba.
Maganda
Sino
hapon.
mas matanda?
Ako.
Kuya. So,
Ako yung kuya. Opo. Ako si Kochi Su. Talo kami yung kapatid. 1993 punta kami dito. Napansin ko yung Philippines sa panahon wala siya malamin. Kaya yung buo taon kaya may silang. Pangdalawa, kahit saan ako punta, napansin ko yung tao dito, yung mabait, tapos matali yung usap, tapos lalo sa trabaho, yung talaga marunong yung tulong-tulong. Masarap yung kasama sa trabaho. Tapos, yung kami dito, yung para yung yung kahit sama-sama ganun, kahit hindi sa trabaho, maganda yung kasama. Tapos pala sanay na dito. Sanay na.
Kailan kayo dumating sa Pilipinas? Sabay-sabay ba kayo magkakapatid dumating sa Pilipinas? Sabay-sabay.
Ito yung kapatid ko, 1993.
Si
Ako yung 1994.
si Fang 1993, si
Apo.
Chi 1994,
Abo.
si Wei gamit
1996 po.
Sige,
Opo.
ituloy na natin ang kwento ni Wei. Sige, Mr. Kuo Wei Su. Sige po. Ano naman po ang kayo youngest, kayo pinakabata sa tatlo?
Opo, ako bunso.
Bunso,
Sorry po.
okay.
Senada po. I just come here 1993. I'm 23 years old. Ngayon 51 na. Ako uwi Taiwan mga once a week lang. So sanay na ako dito. Saka I don't know.
Repeat that once a week?
Huh?
You go to Taiwan once
Yeah,
a week?
once a year. Once a year. Sorry po. Pasensya po. Once a week. Once a year lang po.
Once a year.
Okay, sorry po, pasensya po. Yung, sorry, pinjon nervous. Kami yung, hindi ko alam, I think if somebody come here, Philippine talaga stay, they don't have a reason say they don't love Philippines. That's why kami, umpisa, kami nito stay. Gusto namin na stay dito sa Philippines.
Kayo po tatlo may mga pamilya na.
Opo, opo.
Meron na. Tapos ang pamilya nandito rin.
Opo, lahat po.
Sa Subic.
Opo.
Subic sila. Locator sila sa Subic.
Opo. So, yung saka Philippine para bigay kami yung chance yung have a business para bigay pangkain ganyan. So that's why we want to do something for the Philippines. Now our company is like para yung warehousing sa Subic. So we try to invite Taiwanese to Philippine investment. Katulad yung Vietnam have 60,000 Taiwanese company, but the Philippines only 600 Taiwanese company now. So we try our best to pakilala yung sila yung Philippines, very friendly, very nice place. Kasi sila takot minsan takot yung international news para yung Philippine makulo ganyan. Pero alam namin yung Philippines very nice, very friendly. So we just tayo kami yung warehouse para sila pang-opa lang. Kung gusto nyo, yung kung gusto investment, opa lang. Pang sila, kung gusto pang-continue na, kung gusto opa, okay. Pang gusto bumili, okay. Ganun. Para sila talaga investment dito. now we have in my two factory yung para gawa shoes. Sila employee may 8,000 ganyan. Tapos yung lahat, yung iba-iba small companies, maybe
Saan yung shoe company mo? Shoe?
isa sa Clark, isa sa Subic.
Ang galing. Okay.
Tapos yung lahat-lahat yung meron yung 15,000 yung employee. Yung
Pag
lahat.
sinabi mong business mo, sa'yo yan, hindi kasama mga kapatid mo.
Hindi, kapatid kami lahat. Sama-sama, yeah.
Teka.
Sama-sama kami lahat kasi iba, hindi kami yung magaling.
So thank you. Hindi, salamat
Okay,
po.
okay.
Salamat po sa inyo. Last but not the least, Mr. Fai Shik. Yes.
Salamat po. So finale ang ako. Okay, maraming salamat po to the chair and to the senators and the congressman present here and everybody else. I've lived in the Philippines for 31 years. I first came here to do my master's at AIM, and then I won the lottery because I met my wife. She's there.
Filipina?
Filipina po. That was 31 years ago. We got married, and then I took her to Pakistan with me because that's where I'm originally from. And so that she could understand what the culture was that I came from, to get to know my parents. And after about a year plus, we decided that that's not where we wanted to bring up our future children. I've also lived in the UK. She's lived in the US. And we made a decision 31 years ago that the values in the Philippines is where we would like to bring up our child, because the child is a product of not only the house but the environment that you brought up in, and all that you interact with and all that you are exposed to brings forth what that child will be in the world. So today, my daughter is 27 years old. She was educated in the Philippines. She's Filipina, of course. And she is now living in London, working at KPMG, one of the top consulting firms. And that is a product of the education that she received here and the opportunities that we got as a couple. In my 31 years, I was in the corporate life for 5 years. I was responsible for helping Ford establish itself in the country. And so I set up the distribution network, and we launched the brand. But 24 years ago, I started my first company, and we do strat consulting and brand for Google in Asia Pacific, Nissan, Mazda, Ford. We also service locally the Ayala group of companies with BPI and Ayala Land. And my wife, because women are always better with money, is our CFO, and she's also head of admin and HR. And together we've built a group of companies that has now established itself, if I say so myself, as possibly the best automotive marketing firm in Asia. And I am the only non-Filipino in that company. I think in my 31 years, I have been welcomed. I've been given a lot of opportunities. I have never felt like an outsider. And I'm 57. You take out the 31. I've spent more than half my life in the Philippines. I feel that the culture, values, my feeling inside, I might not look it outside, but my feeling inside is I belong here. So I would like that opportunity so that you would consider giving me citizenship. That's my 3 minutes up.
You look Filipino now because your attire is Filipino.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Okay. Who among the 9 whose country of origin does not allow dual or second citizenship? So the 3 of you, so Father Umen, Mr. Sheikh, Mr. Hio, and Mr. Ashurian, once you become Filipino, you will lose your current citizenship. Tama? Tama yun.
Yes po.
Tama yun. Okay, sige. Okay, basta klaro yun. Okay. So, anong gawin natin? Ipa-acquire natin sila ng lupang hinirang? Kaya nyo na? Kaya nyo nang awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas? Kaya ninyo? Hindi. Taas ang kamay yung hindi pa, yung aamin na hindi pa niya kaya ngayong araw. Kaya ninyo? Ba, ang galing ah. So any other questions? Senator Bongo, sa kanila?
Subject to the final submission by the Secretariat to the members of the committee of the documents required. I move that we suspend consideration and submit the same. Chairman Senator Gatchalian is
To second, Mr. Chair, second the motion of Senator Francis.
although I have no motion yet, let me restate that subject to the submission of the required documents and the committee's discretion to scrutinize again the same, I move that we can I ask the NBI present here? Sino ba NBI? DOJ?
Who among the government agencies attended today's session for the purpose of the citizenship? Ikaw, Attorney Patalia, did you? O sino? Sino pa, ma'am? Sino pa? Attorney, ma'am, use the mic. Kalingasan? Yes, ma'am. And then si Police Colonel, Lieutenant Colonel Gadya.
Gadya po.
Gadya.
From the
Attorney
PNP.
Dexter Matias, Ma'am Rica Agustin. Sige. Sige, ano? Sige, comment, make your inputs bago namin i-close ito. Sige, Attorney Kalingasan.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair and the members of the committee. We manifest that the certification and clearance section acting chief, Attorney Vicente G. Ongcad, issued a certification that the following names do not appear in the Bureau's whole departure, blacklist, watch list, alert list, and lookout bulletin records as of December 9, 2024. The names Job Kalarakal Omen, born on May 8, 1960. Faiz Sheikh, born on 29 November 1967. Stephen Decatur Haynes, 25 October 1940, born on October 25, 1942. Wonzok Heo, born on 15 February 1978. Bules Shemishu Ashurian, born on 24 February 1979. Grace Tanto, born on July 3, 1972. Kuo Wei Su, born on December 10, 1973. Kuo Fang Su, born on December 15, 1970. Kuo Chi Su, born on October 4, 1969. Thus, we interpose no objection to the granting of their Philippine citizenship, Your Honor.
Nag-worry yung iba eh. Kala nila nasa listahan sila eh. Actually, this is the list na gusto ninyong nandun kayo, di ba? Because you are not in the, sabi niya, they are not in the, not in the list of lookout, etc. Pero ganito, you can check, pag sinabi you can check the date when they first arrived in the Philippines. Kaya ninyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sige. But not now, not now. In writing na lang.
Okay.
When they first arrive, para ma-match natin sa stories nila.
Yes, Your Honor. Although some of the information may be limited considering the data is only available as of 1990, late 90s po naging available yung data.
Okay. Okay. Next, who is the Colonel, Lieutenant Colonel Gadya?
Hello. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. For the PNP, we have conducted a verifications through our crime information reporting and analysis system, or the CIRAS, and also with the e-warrant system and the National Police Clearance, which resulted to negative record from the system, sir. Of all the 9 applicants, to include Mr. Jiang Gu, who is not present today, sir. However, sir, we are still waiting for the result of the complete background investigation to be conducted by the intelligence group of the PNP. So the result will be forwarded as soon as obtained, sir.
Thank you. Who else? Ma'am Rica? Ma'am Rica Agustin, you're here for the citizenship or for the third part? Si Angelita pala. Angelita Sugkang. Yes. Department of Foreign Affairs. Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chairperson, members of the Committee on Human Rights and Naturalization, fellow fellow colleagues in the government service and private stakeholders and guests. Mayong hapon kaninyong tanan. The OCA Visa Division, Office of Consular Affairs, Department of Foreign Affairs certifies that the 9 applicants for naturalization has no derogatory records in the visa lookout list database. Hence, the department interposes no objection in the granting of Philippine citizenship to these 9 applicants, foreign nationals. Okay. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Any Matias? Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
OSG.
Good afternoon. May I just manifest, Mr. Chair, that the DMS, the Docket Management Service of the Office of the Solicitor General and the Secretariat of the Special Committee on Naturalization has issued certifications stating that the applicants, the 10 applicants who are subject of this hearing today, Mr. Chair, that there are no petitions for naturalization except for one applicant, Your Honor, which is who is applicant Mr. Won Suk Hyo, which is pending with the Regional Trial Court of Makati, Your Honor. Other than that, Mr. Chair, we do not have any other information, Your Honor.
Can I ask you for your professional opinion? What's the effect? Para bang forum shopping yan?
I may not be at liberty to state my opinion on that matter, Mr. Chair.
Nagjo-joke lang ako. Huwag ka mag-alala. I mean, kayo mag-alala kasi actually yung pinail mo under your control, you can always withdraw it, right? Yes, Senator Bato de la Rosa.
Mr. Chair, yung sitwasyon na yun, that should be taken as a positive doon sa applicant because masyado siya sigurista eh. Naniguro siya na matanggap talaga siya. Two bodies ang kanyang in-applyan. So talaga it shows his desire to become a Filipino. And for that, we have to congratulate him.
Tolentino?